want to share with you guys one of the best finds that I found yesterday at HomeGoods. I think some of you garden lovers are gonna love this. Look how beautiful this long-necked watering can is. Beautiful green inside, galvanized, just really kind of a classic look. And it comes with a brass rose, you know, that you could put on right here for softer watering. But anyway, these are really good because sometimes you need to, you know, reach something that's not as accessible. Okay, but you want to know why I'm so excited besides the fact that it's so cute? Check out the price. Can you read it? Is it upside down? Oh. All right, so anyways, if you can't read it, it's 12 bucks. $12. I think it was $30 originally. But at $12, that's exciting. Ain't it cute? I got 2 of them. HomeGoods. Go check it out. Maybe they have more. All right, I better get to work. Bye.